Hey, it's Cheryl, and today's Safety Minute is all about eliminating foot, leg, and back fatigue. And it all starts downstairs with the shoes that we wear. So whether it's steel toe, increased traction, or some kind of ankle support, whatever it is you need for your job, your best bet is to have regular replacement for optimal support. Most avid runners know they have so many miles they have to run before they have to replace their shoe. I feel our industrial athletes can have a couple of indicators on their own without having to wear a pedometer. So, number one, pain and discomfort. If your tootsies aren't feeling good, it might be time to get a new shoe. Worn out soles and decreased cushion, these are good indicators that the wear has significantly worn down and it's time to replace the shoe. Traction is imperative for a lot of people, so if that underneath tread is gone, it's time to get rid of these things. Decreased cushioning. If you don't have the same bounce and squish that you had before, it's time to get yourself a new shoe. Visible damage is also a problem. If you're seeing holes to the point where liquids or substances can get inside, this compromises the safety of your little foot as well. Stinky shoes. Now here's a good one. Persistent odor indicates the presence of some kind of bacteria or fungus, which is just generally gross, and nobody wants to have a foot infection. So change the shoe, change the sock, that kind of a thing. General shape of your shoe. If there's any excessive pronation or supination, depending on how you walk, you'll see wear marks on the heel of your shoe going in one direction or another. Might be time for a new shoe. So that's how our employees can take care of themselves, but how can we as employers maybe give our industrial athletes a little more comfort? The answer can be anti-fatigue mats.
Here we have a good look at anti-fatigue mat. These are inexpensive, easy solutions that can make your standing experience much more comfortable and prevent painful conditions such as soreness, exhaustion of your legs, just general fatigue. They also play an integral role in reducing the risk of just musculoskeletal problems in general, concerns with locked joints, and even varicose veins.
So standing on a cushy surface can allow for muscles to expand and contract in a healthy manner. We're enabling better circulation in the legs, which reduces stress and fatigue in your lower body, keeping our low back, our knees, our feet in a happier place. So anti-fatigue mat highlights. They can alleviate all these burning and itchy sensations from prolonged standing. They improve overall productivity because if your tootsies aren't hurting, you're probably a happier worker. This will also include fewer absences from work. Again, if your body doesn't hurt, you're going to show up. So they do not create any kind of spike in your bottom line as a company, and they are affordable and durable. And this is your DORN Safety Minute.